crazy part about it is milk. This big old thing don't look the worst as this one looks the worst. And this is May 31st. This is like just last week, so something had to. This is just yesterday, May 31st. I don't know what happened, but the May 9th milk looked way better than the May 31st milk, which is highly insane. Highly insane, but worst one out of them all.
May 21st. I won't even try to.